Hey peeps! Let's try some amazing pipe joining ideas for your workshop. First off, mark parallel lines at a distance twice the width of the pipe at the bending point. Next, take a circular piece of paper with a radius equal to the width of the pipe and double fold it. Place this paper on the pipe and trace an arc. Then, draw a line in the middle and mark out the rest. Cut out the rectangular part of the marked section first, then proceed to cut the curved section. Now bend the pipe and weld it to hold it in position. It makes a perfect right angle bend. For the next step, mark 3 square profile pipes at a distance equal to their side from the ends. Draw diagonals and mark out the rest. Now cut and remove the marked section, join the pieces together and weld them. This creates a perfect joint of the pipes at right angles. Now, take a square profile pipe and draw parallel lines, marking out 3 sides. Cut out the marked section, and then mark and cut the center in a V shape. Place another piece of pipe in the notch and bend it around. Incredible, isn't it? Next, draw 8 straight lines on one side of a rectangular profile pipe. Draw lines at 80 degrees on the width. Then mark and cut out all the indentations. This allows for a 30-degree bend. Weld it to retain the shape, creating a 60-degree bend. And finally, a 90-degree bend. Wow, these are perfect matching bends.